Yeah, I feel so good. I can't describe it at the moment. The moments just after victory, it's just the greatest feeling in the world. So I'm really happy.
You've lost against him at the All England this year. What has changed since last March, into this really fast win today?
Yeah, I've improved a lot. I think I've trained hard during the summer. I've had some tough draws recently, so of course I'm really happy to get through to the final for the first time in my career.
And you might be playing Jorgensen tomorrow, your compatriot, if he wins today. Do you like playing your own compatriot in international competitions?
We haven't played in an international competition before, I think so. But it will always be weird when you're playing your compatriot because we know each other so well, and it will always be a quite strange match in some ways because we know each other. So, but let's see how it goes. Right now, I'm just so happy to be in the final.
And I have to ask you one question. Peter Gade started his career yesterday against Jorgensen. He's a real legend, and I guess in Denmark a real star. How do you feel that he's now out of the badminton circuit?
Peter's career is so it's hard to describe. He's a living legend, and he has changed the world of badminton for so many years. To have a career like him for so many years is just to look at with respect. So yeah, of course I respect Peter a lot, and I've learned a lot from him. So I can't really describe it anymore.
Thank you very much, and good luck for tomorrow.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.